What's up, family? As you can see, we got another comfort meal, a delicious comfort meal. Here are your ingredients. We got salt, black pepper, oil, beef base, butter, onion powder, garlic powder, flour, onions, water, beef tips, and rice. Let's get it. All right, so the first thing we have to do is get our meat seasoned. Got to put that flavor in this thing. With some salt, gonna hit it with some garlic powder, onion powder, and some black pepper. And cannot forget about the Worcestershire sauce. I didn't have it in the ingredients opening credits, so here it is. So we're just gonna get a little bit of that in there. And remember, family, measurements and the ingredients are in the description. Get everything mixed in as such. Our oil in our pan, beef tips in there. Try not to overcrowd the pan. All right, now this is, oh yeah, there it is. That's what we're looking for right there. Get a good little sear mark on it. All right, our meat for the most part is cooked how we need it. We're not cooking it all the way. So let's just get this out. We're just gonna take our onions, throw them boys in there. I'm gonna let these saute down a little bit till they become translucent. Onions is what we need them to be. Check them out. Ooh. Get our beef base. Let's get that in there. Let's just get this mixed. Everything mixed in. As such. Get our flour. Taking our water. Let's just stir it while we're pouring. Make sure all of it is getting broken up. Yeah. Hit it with some more water. Like I say, we're just thinning it out. And make sure you guys, you start with cold water first. You don't want to create your little lumps of flour in your gravy. So just make sure you start off with cold water first. As you see, it starts to boil like this. It's actually starting to thicken up. This is when you want to add some more water or beef broth, whatever you're using. Like I say, I'm using beef base, so the beef base with the water is pretty much the same as beef broth. So now let's just get this all mixed in. See, our gravy is exactly where we need it to be. So now we're just going to season the taste. A little salt in there, just a little pepper in there. Let's go ahead and turn down our heat. And remember, family, measurements and the ingredients will be in the description. So you don't have to worry about that. Alrighty, we're just gonna taste for lightness. Hit it with just a tad bit more salt. There we go. That's it, that's all. Let's get our beef in there. There we go. There's beef tips in your gravy. We'll pop a lid on this boy. We already reduced our heat, and we're just gonna let these beef tips get tender, fork tender, baby. So look at that though. Yeah, look at that. If you wanna always come back and check it. Stir it, make sure ain't nothing sticking. You know, treat it right, treat it right. And it's gonna taste just right for you. Like I say, we're gonna let this cook for about 20, we're gonna let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Let that meat get fork tender. We're gonna be ready. We're just gonna let this rice cook on down. You're gonna cook that on medium to high heat. Let this rice cook down. We got these beef tips going hard. So let's just be a little patient. And we're gonna have an awesome, awesome comfort food meal. Yeah. Remember, you want to come back and stir and check on your gravy and your beef tips. Check your beef. See if it's at the tenderness it needs to be. But come back until it's done and make sure you just give it some TLC. Check this out. There's our beef tips and gravy. There's our rice. We just gonna let it cook on down. And we're gonna come back and plate this thing up. So let's just hit it with some rice. Let's hit it in the center. Our beef. Let's just get it on down. Ooh, look at that. Just get us some extra gravy. Should we get it all where it needs to be? Got it. Beef tips and rice, baby. Beef tips and rice, baby. A great, great comfort food, baby. Look at that. Tender beef, delicious gravy, rice cooked perfectly. This is the one, that comfort meal that's gonna satisfy that belly and keep everybody in the house happy. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time. I'm about to go eat.